Do you guys want to go up some flooring today? Come with us and help us with some demolition. Hi guys, welcome to Fun with the O.
What are we doing today, bud?
Tearing the flooring up.
We tearing some flooring up.
So
we've been putting in some new flooring here. We're going to extend it to the bedroom. I'm waiting on a reducer strip right now, but in the meantime we're going to tear up this section of the carpet to get it ready so that we can start laying
flooring.
Okay. All right, bud, before we start going, what tools are we going to need in order to do this?
A knife.
Utility knife, and then we can also get the measuring tape out to see how big this is going to be to practice our measuring skills too, huh? Okay. What's going to be easier for you? What if we... Okay, guys, we got a utility knife that we're going to use to make a cut from here all the way down over to this wall. So we'll kind of cut this in sections to make it a little bit more manageable. Go start pulling where that line's at. All right, more on this side. Start pulling this side. Okay. I'll start hauling this.
Okay.
Good job. Where did you cut it there? I cut it there. We've even got the plumber crack for all the carpenters.
Yeah, get on the other side and start pulling that corner. There you go. You need some help?
Yeah.
Carpet is up.
Got it a little cut.
Yep, safety first, huh? Okay, so we'll roll up this carpet, pull the pad, and then pull the strips too. Okay. We got the carpet and pad pulled for that section. Now, we're going to come through and pull these tack strips. So for that, we'll use a crowbar and just pry it underneath those, pop it, and then just work it all along the edge. Okay, so we got our tack strips pulled up now. Now, we are going to take a look at some measurements to see how big the area we tore up is. What do you say?
Yes.
All right, come on. So we're going to start there. And it is just under 5 feet, 60 inches. Okay. Now should we see how long it is? Okay, put it right up against the wall. Okay, it is just over 13 feet, probably about 164, 165 inches from this wall to where all this got over there. So that's a pretty big area, huh? We still got the other side to do over there. And that's doing some measurements and demolition for some new flooring. So always remember, have adult supervision when you're working with tools, and always be safe. All right, once we start laying this down, we'll show you guys once it's all done.
Thanks for having a fun time with us, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Peace out.
All right, guys, here is the finished floor that we just took up. So remember that we had tore it up from there all the way to this wall, and now we're done.